Howdy crew. Try to snow bash this hill. Oh my gosh, that was too easy. What the hell? I thought it was gonna take multiple attempts. This one will be tougher. Oh, lost the front end. Pinion came loose again. I had to cut the front motor down on the clodbuster axle. Cut the front motor shaft super short for a different project. That's paying my price now. The pinions fell off. That's the second time. This time I had it Loctite redded, so I'm gonna have to put a new 5mm shaft inside that Outrunner motor. Luckily the Outrunner, it's just got set screws on motor shafts and E-clips, so the motor shaft is totally like swappable. It's a little bit of a PETA, but I can hear it clanking around inside there, and I lost the front drive. So in case the pinion is caught up in the spur gear or someplace else in the transmission, I don't want to run it because it'll chew it to death. And then I'll have to take the whole transmission apart and rebuild, which right now it's just to pull the motor and fix it. Fix the shaft, put a longer shaft on it. So here we go, I get to lug it home. Without further ado, I'll say goodbye. Peace, God, speed, love and happiness to all. Ciao. Hope you enjoyed.